Hello dear fans. What is a thesis? The term thesis comes from the Greek word literally meaning position, regulation of the law. A thesis is a philosophical, scientific or theological statement, position, as well as part of a musical or poetic work. This term was especially carefully studied and acquired a deep meaning in the second half of the 18th century. In 1769, Immanuel Kant investigated antinomies, contradictions, or opposites in the human mind. The philosopher drew attention to the fact that contradictory judgments can be made about the world as a totality of being, and they will be equally plausible. So, for example, we can say that the world is infinitely divisible or indivisible in general, that he is subject to the law of causality or absolutely free, that the world came about by chance or that there was a root cause. Each of these judgments could be philosophically proven. Such a pair, consisting of a statement and its opposite, Kant called the thesis and antithesis and argued that it was impossible to resolve this contradiction. This idea was developed by Johann Fichte. He added to the concepts of thesis and antithesis one more, synthesis. The scientist determined that there are three kinds of judgments. The first are called thetic. This is a thesis that is taken by itself, without comparison with others. In antithetical judgments, a comparison is made and the antithesis is opposed to the thesis. In synthetic judgment, an identity is sought between the thesis and the antithesis, and as a result, the synthesis becomes a new thesis, the starting point for a new process of reasoning. Later, George Hegel put this method of interconnectedness and degeneration of theses into the basis of the doctrine of the dialectical principle. In the field of scientific works, the word thesis is interpreted somewhat easier than in philosophical theories. This is the name of the main provisions of a lecture, report, research, etc. Such theses should be formulated briefly and succinctly. When highlighting the main messages of the message, it is important to observe the proportion between the brevity of the thesis and its semantic fullness. The text of the thesis does not include its proof, but each of such statements must be provable. Arguments are given in the full text of the work or speech. When writing abstracts, you need to pay special attention to terms and wording. Indeed, in the further reasoning, the author proceeds from the clear meaning expressed by this or that term. In music, a thesis is called a certain part of the bar, the percussion. In ancient versification, this term denoted a fragment of a verse. There was no rhythmic stress in this section, and in combination with strong syllables, such theses formed the rhythm of the piece. Thanks for watching.